When a croupier releases a ball onto a spinning roulette wheel, the immediate future is entirely unpredictable. The ball clatters across the frets, governed by friction and physics too complex to calculate in real time. In this exact fraction of a second, the house is completely vulnerable. They have zero control over where that ball lands, and they could easily owe a massive payout to a player on this specific hand. But zoom out from that single table, and you see billion-dollar mega resorts operating with absolute financial certainty, hosting thousands of these uncoordinated games every hour. If every individual game is truly random and anyone can walk away a winner, how does the business guarantee a fail-proof profit? The casino secret has nothing to do with beating the player's luck. They secure their profits by using enormous volume to mathematically eliminate luck altogether. To see how this works, we can strip away the casino setting and look at the simplest model of probability, a single coin flip. Imagine you take a perfectly fair coin and flip it exactly 10 times in a row. This chart shows the result of a typical 10-flip sequence. Instead of an even split, we get 7 heads and only 3 tails. With such a small number of attempts, landing on a 70-30 ratio is a highly likely outcome. This kind of short-term variance constantly tricks the human brain. We innately expect a 50-50 probability to manifest immediately. So when we see a streak of heads, we assume the coin is rigged or that tails is somehow due to hit. But in small sample sizes, randomness is simply wild and uneven. If you only observe the microscale, the data is totally useless for predicting future outcomes. This is where the law of large numbers takes over. This principle states that as the number of trials of a random process increases, the average of the results gets closer and closer to the expected theoretical value. So let's dramatically scale up our scenario. Instead of stopping at 10, you sit there and flip that exact same coin 10,000 times. This graph tracks the running average of heads over time. On the left, with only a few flips, the line is highly volatile and jagged. The coin doesn't know it needs to land on tails to correct those early streaks. Instead, the massive volume of total flips dilutes initial anomalies. As we push into tens of thousands of flips, the jagged line smooths out entirely. Statistical gravity forces the observed ratio to align perfectly with the 50% probability. Casinos apply this exact mechanism. They hold a tiny house edge, sometimes just 51% on a game. Because they play millions of hands over decades, that tiny mathematical advantage solidifies into guaranteed revenue. Predictability does not exist within a single event. It is an emergent property born entirely out of massive volume. This mathematical smoothing reaches far beyond the gambling industry. It is the invisible architecture running much of our global economy. The entire life insurance industry relies on it to guarantee solvency. An actuary cannot know when any specific individual will pass away, but by pooling millions of policies together, they can predict aggregate mortality rates for the whole group with total accuracy. Industrial quality control and national opinion polling function on the exact same logic. They rely on large numbers of observations to make defect rates and voter behaviors statistically predictable. Individual uncertainty on a micro level never equals systemic uncertainty. If you gather enough random events together, you can predict exactly how they will behave in aggregate. Ultimately, large numbers force these wild averages to behave. But what mathematical law guarantees that if you gather enough random items, some of them must share an exact property? That brings us to the pigeonhole principle.